Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the upcoming reveal for the crypto.com land, guys. I was fortunate enough to get some crypto.com land. I know a lot of the loaded lands were some CyberCub holders and a couple others on the aftermarket. I know a lot of you guys out there watching this video right now are wondering, what kind of land am I going to get? And some of you out there are wondering, what is this thing in the first place? So we're going to talk all about it. We're going to talk about what I think is coming out for this land, what kind of prices we might expect, what it might mean for the CRONOS ecosystem, and some of the loaded lions holders out there, and more importantly, what it means for crypto.com overall, and of course, crypto as a whole. So we're going to talk about all that and more in today's video. Of course, we'll touch on a little bit more Binance FUD. Saw a story today I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys like that kind of content, smash a like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day and 2 live streams every week, Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 Central Standard Time. Got a lot of folks joining us on those live streams, so make sure you turn on the notification bell and check that out. When we do hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, by the way, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so make sure you guys subscribe. But let's hop into these charts and let's take a peek at what's going on in the market. You got an $808 billion market cap right now. Crypto took a little bit of a move upward today, but kind of came back down. Bitcoin's still below 17,000. Ethereum's above $1,200, which is good to see. Binance coin floating right around 250, and CRO coin currently sitting at right at 5.5 cents about. So nothing crazy going on really in the charts right now. A lot of sideways action. But we will keep this content coming at you guys. Like I said yesterday, we did do a live stream where we talked a little bit about how LeBron James came out supporting crypto.com in a tweet. We had a lot of great questions in the chat, went over a little bit about what folks that are successful in crypto do. So some of the things we talk about. So consider subscribing and joining as a member on the Crypto Report channel. But let's look at some of the stories for the day. Right now, Market Insider came out with a story, and they're talking a little bit about a global drug cartel that used Binance to launder millions. Now, I saw this headline yesterday, and it was really only framed as FUD, and it was really framed in a way that was supposed to be very negative towards Binance. Now, the full headline here is, a global drug cartel used Binance to launder millions, the DEA says. Here's how the world's largest crypto exchange is reportedly working with investigators to track them down. So one thing I want to note about this is it's very, very important to note that, look, the drug cartels, they're everywhere, okay? And one of the main ways that they launder money is through businesses and just through cash, okay? That's how they do a lot of the business. When it comes to crypto, of course, people have said that, hey, the black market and illegal transactions with crypto is a big thing. Well, it really only accounts for less than 1% of all the transactions that are happening in crypto, but it does happen. And so when I saw this headline, I saw it and I thought, hey, more FUD. But really, this is a very positive story, because the truth is that, though somebody was able to get away with this using Binance and launder millions, through a platform that deals with billions of dollars every single day, Binance is able to track them down way more effectively, might I even add, than through a shell company, without, how a drug cartel might be laundering money, or through cash, how somebody might be hiding cash, in cave systems right out near the border of Mexico, potentially, right? At least on the blockchain, it's trackable. There's a ledger. You can look at it. You can look at Binance's books. These are things you can start to figure out who is spending what, sending what, where. And you can start to catch them. So really, this is good news, and it kind of destroys the narrative that crypto is used by criminals. And hey, if it is, we can figure out who, and we can even hold them more accountable than we could if they were using cash. So this is a good story for crypto. A lot of people might look at this and say, hey, that's some bad news for crypto. I look at it and go, this is a great narrative for crypto, because it shows how Binance and some of the largest exchanges in the world, hey, we can catch some of these criminals by using some of the data on the blockchain and in Binance's book. So pretty interesting story to share. But the big story for the day, guys, is that the land reveal is tonight. It's happening at 8 Central Standard Time, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I am in the Midwest here in Central Standard Time. But that will be at 2 UTC time, which will be at 2 in the morning UTC time on the 22nd, which again is 8 p.m. Central Standard Time here. So the interesting thing here, and I was very curious about this, it said approximately 5 to 10 hours. Well, very curious what that meant. I want to explain that for you guys a little bit. So here's how it works. A couple things you guys need to know, and it's very important that I share this information with the community so you guys understand how you need to get set up so that you properly reveal your deeds, because there's a little bit of a process here, and it's not what you might think. It's not as easy as you might think. So users need to ensure that first, their first frontier NFT is in their Crypto.com NFT account by 8 p.m. tonight Central Standard Time or 2 a.m. UTC on December 22nd. If a user has any unopened Crypto.com land, like you bought the packs, right? You have the packs and you didn't open up and look at your cards yet, they would like you to open them by the time they're going to launch this. Otherwise, basically, they're just going to open them for you. So there's no consequence, but if you don't open them, you don't get the satisfaction of opening them. They're going to open them for you, and you'll never get to open them. So maybe go open them, guys, just so you have it. If you don't, no big deal. Nothing bad is going to happen if you don't. And here's what to expect during the first Frontier deed reveal. So it's not just going to be like they show you your deed instantly. Unfortunately, it's not going to be like that. And I do think this is going to cause some fear, which is why I want to create this video. Don't be fearful, guys. Just have patience. Trust the process. They have a lot of demand for this, and they've got their process, and let's let them do their thing. So they say the deed reveal will begin at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 a.m. UTC, December 22nd. It will last for approximately 5 to 10 hours, depending on network conditions. During the deed reveal, users' first Frontier deed NFT will temporarily disappear from the Crypto.com NFT account. Your deed will disappear from your wallet, guys, so don't panic. Do not panic. And you're going to see it on Twitter. You'll see me on Twitter defending it because there's facts here that people need to see. But the NFTs are going to disappear. This is part of the plan. Then all listing and auctions involving these NFTs will be paused to ensure that no transfer of ownership occurs during this reveal, during this 5 to 10 hours, okay? After the reveal is complete, users will receive their land NFTs, and we will notify participants once it's completed. So, got to stay posted on Twitter. Got to look for more updates that they will give on Twitter and on the Crypto.com website. If you want to get an update from us, follow me and my partner Black Sea at the Crypto Report. As soon as we either wake up in the morning or tonight when we see it, we will be tweeting it out, and you guys can go look at your deeds. And I have a live stream tomorrow night at 5:30 Central Standard Time where I will be revealing all the deeds that I got, and I will tell you exactly what I intend on doing with those deeds as information starts to come in and as we start to see these prices. I can't really say how many I'm going to sell, how quickly I'm going to sell them until I see what I got. But as soon as I see it, and I will be doing a live stream tomorrow night at 5:30 Central Standard Time, I will be telling the community, and I'm very excited to share that with you. And I want to hear what you guys are doing in the chat. Tweet at us on Twitter. We'll talk about it there as well. So this is what to expect, guys, and it is coming tomorrow. This is a very big day, very, very exciting. And right now, you can kind of look at some of the stats for the land right now. The floor price is $140, and there's auctions going. But if you want to look at how much these things are selling for, the best way to go is to you got two categories here: items where you can look at the deeds, or you got activity where you can look at the transactions that occurred. You can see the listing. You can see what people are listing them for, which is a variety of prices here. You can see what people are bidding it for, a lot of bids, but most importantly, you can see what people are selling it for. So I'm just going to click on the selling category, and it's $199, $129, $184. So you guys can get these for pretty decent prices right now. Something to check out if you guys haven't gotten your hands on some of this land, but the prices are looking pretty decent right now. Some are going above floor price, some are going well below floor price. So something to check out, guys. I really recommend that if you haven't jumped on this and you're eager about the land, you might have some good prices right now because it's hard to say what will happen once the deeds are revealed. Could the prices go up? I personally believe they will. Not financial advice, but I do think that the price of these things are going to go up as soon as the deeds are revealed and the true holders start to show what the real floor price will be when we really know what these things are. So it'll be very interesting. Recommend you guys track this on the Crypto.com NFT site. And we are looking to get another loaded lion here. I want to get another loaded lion. So I've been tracking some of these floor prices. Yesterday was at 1,700, and today it's back at 1.9K. And looking at some of these lions that are selling, they're selling for a variety of prices, 2.5K, 1.8K. Don't look at the dollar sales because those aren't realistic. You're not going to get these things for $1. These are people that know each other making back-end deals. It's a little different than just buying it on the market. So, $10 sale ain't realistic. You're not going to get that. Like this one was traded for $1 and then traded for $10. That's not a real transaction. You gotta look at these real prices. 1.9K, 1.9K, 1.8K. So those are some of the prices you're looking at right now. And when you look at some of the more rare ones, like for example, I'd love to get one of these crypto.com crown ones. These things are getting real expensive right now. Quite expensive. And you can start to see, and let me back out of this. You can start to see what some of the prices are for some of these more rare ones. $8,500 for these guys. You can see for the crypto.com blue cap guys, which there's only 102 of. You can see that their prices are around $2,500, right? So the floor prices on these things are kind of going up on some of the more rare ones. Some of these smaller, more common ones are getting flipped for more of this floor price. But when you look at some of the activity going on, there's really not a lot of these rare ones being traded right now, which is very, very interesting to look at. You're not seeing a lot with the crypto.com necklace, not seeing the chain gang a lot. You're not seeing a lot of the Viking helmets getting flipped. You're not seeing a lot of the crowns being flipped. You're not seeing a lot of these rare ones being flipped. So something interesting to look at, guys. But that's all I got, really. I mean, I just want to let you guys know the land is coming out tonight. Make sure you guys check it out and make sure you guys do not miss the moment that we are waiting for of this huge reveal. I think it's going to be very, very bullish for crypto.com. And, you don't want to miss out on this. Guys, this was a very, very big event for crypto.com. This land was very, very popular. I think that it could bring the crypto.com NFT platform into the public eye in a big way. The FIFA World Cup just happened, and we see them bringing new licensing deals in Brazil to the light with crypto.com. There's a lot of great things happening right now for crypto.com. I feel very bullish into the future. Look, we've been talking about a Santa rally here. We've been talking about how the bottom is near for crypto. We do believe that, and we will stand by that. But right now, we're trading sideways, and so you've got an opportunity to accumulate, whether it's CRO coins, whether it's land, whether it's a loaded lion, if that's what you're into. I believe, and so does my partner Black Sea, that this is a great time to buy. Let us know what you think in the chat box down below. If you guys want to take advantage of some free money, by the way, we have some great partnerships in the link in the description down below. Free $600 when you sign up for Binance. $8,000 sign-on bonus when you sign up for BitGet and deposit money into that exchange, as well as Femex and more for you guys there. And if you want to join the members on the Crypto Report, you can click on the link in the description down below. You can see something for you there as well. Guys, that's all I got. We're very excited for the land reveal that is coming out tonight. We will be active on Twitter, so don't miss out, guys. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.